Hey everyone, welcome back to Just Food Reviews. So we're doing triple O's again today. This is the third time we've done them. The first burger we did was one of probably the most delicious burgers I've ever had. That was the Philly cheeseburger. And then I did that absolutely horrible fish burger from them. I had to smash it, it was no good. They got a new item here. Our new barbecue turkey burger. So this is the barbecue turkey burger. Is made with our delicious turkey patty, naturally smoked bacon, crisp iceberg lettuce, and vine ripened tomatoes. Topped with barbecue sauce, it has that extra kick and crunch by featuring jalapeno Havarti cheese, spicy chipotle mayo, and an onion ring. So there's lots on it. Not a huge fan of turkey burgers, but this one seemed interesting, so we'll try it out. Okay, nice size. Napkins, triple O's napkins. Okay, let's have a look at this thing. Okay, there's the bacon. Looks like the onion ring. Oh, look at that. They put the chipotle mayo in the onion ring. So we got the cheese, iceberg lettuce, tomato underneath, and the chipotle. Was that the chipotle mayo or what? No, whatever. Looks like it's all there anyway. Messy. Whew. Is that ever messy? Have a look at the inside there. There's that piece of bacon. Don't worry, we won't waste that. Let's throw that inside there. Okay. There's so much going on here, but it all works. It's super delicious. Really taste the bacon, nice thick bacon. You can really taste that. Didn't really taste the onion ring, but definitely tasted that chipotle mayo and the other mayo on the bottom. No, it's just the spicy chipotle mayo. So I guess that must be more of the sauce on the bottom. It's delicious though. I really like it. I guess we'll give him a call. Glad I didn't have to smash this after those fries. What a mess that was. Okay. Okay, got her now.
Welcome to Pleasanton here.
I was just in there and I got the barbecue turkey burger. I just got it. It was really delicious. I liked all that sauce on there.
Thank you. It comes with mayo, barbecue, and chipotle.
Yeah, it's very delicious. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Okay, bye. Well, another happy camper. I'm happy I didn't have to smash this. Yeah, I'll give this an 8.5. I don't think I mentioned the price. It was 10 bucks. So it came to like $10.50 after tax. So it's pretty expensive, but I think it was worth it. It's quite delicious. So there you go. See you next time. Okay, bye.